Hello दोस्तों, hope you are doing well. Today we are talking about what is a research. Let's start it. Research is a systematic and scientific process of investigations that involves collecting and analyzing data and information to gain a deeper understanding of a subject, issue, or phenomena. Research is used in a variety of fields including science, medicine, social sciences, and business. Is a crucial component of knowledge advancement and decision making. The steps involved in the research process typically including defining the research question or problem, reviewing relevant literature, formulating a research design, collecting and analyzing data, and driving conclusions and making recommendations. Research can be conducted using qualitative or quantitative methods, or a combination of both. Qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data such as observations, interviews, and focus groups to gain an in-depth understanding of a subject. Quantitative research involves collecting and analyzing numerical data, often using statistical methods to test hypotheses and making generalizations. Overall, research is an important tool for advancing knowledge and finding solutions to complex problems. Stay updated on the latest content by subscribing to our YouTube channel now. Thank you.